Look at this gorgeous pink macaroni and cheese. I'm going to show you how I created it, and it's pretty simple. So what I did is I got some Kraft Dinner, the white cheddar type. Okay, so I got this from the grocery store, and the main ingredient is going to be beets. That's going to change everything. Yes, beets. So I'm going to boil the beets in some water on the stove for about 45 minutes. And after that time, you see the beets there and that beautiful reddish looking water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out carefully with tongs because these beets are super duper hot. And you see I'm going to mess up a little bit. And you see I dropped that. Oops, that's okay. And I'm going to put it in that bowl. And I'm going to fill that bowl up with cold water to cool it down and let it sit for about like 45 minutes or so. But I kept the red water, and I'm going to boil the noodles the same way you would if you're making regular macaroni and cheese. So look at it. The noodles are nicely stained. And so I'm going back to the beets now. They've cooled off, and I'm going to cut off the edges, the ends, as you see me doing. And I'm just going to peel off the ends, so the peel, what do you call that? The skin, I guess. You can do that easily with just your fingers. So I'm going to cut up the beet. And I wasn't exactly sure what method I was going to take when I first started out, but you'll see soon. But as you can see, I'm cutting it up into small pieces. I actually end up only using the one beet. So I cut it up in small pieces and I put it in this little container here. I added my milk that I need for the mac and cheese, and I blended it up in my NutriBullet. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it? That color is so intense. And so I have my melted butter, and I have my beet milk, and I'm gonna add it in. And then I have my powder. You can see how much whiter this is from the regular powder. So I'm just going to mix it up, get all the lumps out. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. Now it's time to add the noodles. And you just mix it up. Okay, I'm gonna give this a try. I'm going to take this much, and I'm going to eat it now. You know, it doesn't taste too bad. It does taste like beets a little bit. It actually smells a lot like the other candy macaroni and cheese, but it definitely tastes better. So if you weren't able to snag one of those candy KDs, then you can make your own. It doesn't really taste like candy so much, but it's pink. So happy Valentine's Day, or any day you just feel like having some pink macaroni and cheese. All right, see you next time on Yay Fun Times. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye, guys.